ankra no ma me yanya metumi bia memre ne so a babam na mekọ nipa wu a nkwesi samakwan no nipa me prinyi cho nipa bedi ni din jiwia na kọ obi abekọ Jesus koye Prophet Muhammad koye Gandhi koye Kwame Nkrumah kọ ono oje Ghana se obi abekọ ya aka ne sa wo de wadwen be ye adwuma ansa na wakọ cause kọ ne de wo ye dan obekọ ene we ya me live video just assembly be boom so assembly be boom dia and but we me last live video for 2020 and me person me and me nuanom na e kasa wo obi anwen se politician so woni mbo ogbo a na ye bo Champions League a would mean sorry go gina park and so say me be bobi na wo de won search board so me di gane adenta me de ko shepu mu e bi so sa de tia wo se board ye me person me de ko shepu ma chi me ko she me de me mra ababo mu board ya hye mra na to ho ansa na wo ba se wo be bobi eti would mean fa wo mra mbabo mu bo mra no ho enti so be hwa Donald Trump we ni papa okanya ansasem okana adwen but or a one-term president because until politics as politics na ye no Donald Trump or no de no nemra na ba so de ba politics no mu enu ti no ye one-term president no sa na bi asete adwuma bia na ho mra wotemra na se a na akoye adwuma wotemra na se a wonkoye adwuma na omo ye ni bi because emra na we adwuma mu no wonti ase wo betimi atena Ghana ha na wa ye wo se wo ye foot soldier yo me chiachia mo ya from Dr. Asamfoforo me kasama NDC is onim me chia Owura Tamils onu wo ho yo me chiachia mo yo ya from Mordecai me kasama NDC omu wo ho Sami Jenfi oba ye no ofa kwan bi so oye politician onye serial caller onye foot soldier into otie huma nase say we oka NDC o mi Sami Jenfi film ba Mordecai oye foot soldier ne Dr. Asamfoforo American Dr. Asamfoforo kra we nya ne ba bi ko o mo American anya Sami bom bi anka mu bebre mu ni mo ba so ni Sami Jenfi green sa politician men green sa foot soldier 2021 year you be see me green sa politician men green sa foot soldier yo ya from me Y2K me ya from me KB no me na me kasama MPP kojo pon kroma baba bien ni bebi ofi or green sa politician on green sa foot soldier and on green so say serial caller enti sa wo Facebook na wa green nya wo trimi na ne say wo be green say foot soldier ni serial caller and ye nya wo decide sa wo be ye men force obi aso ye because obi motivation enye obi motivation ebia video na wo ye no bosome ye ma osike bi ni ama osei ni ayese ya ma enu na wo die nya sa ahoden na wo de ade na wo ye no men for so obi aso ye wo die ni bi obi so kana dwen am on kana dwen wo betumi etufu te se na mi tufu yi se mi nuanom so wo pesa wo ye foot soldier wo pesa wo kasama wo party kra men nwen se foot soldier dwen se politician me gina he wo ya me den me ne chama wuntumi nkonto kwada se chama wuntumi akoye we bi wo ha because dan asamba ye mu ye den no chama wuntumi o se munim ka kire MPP mpanifo bi se munim mama kan se minjira mu minim A+ since 2001 na papa na enam no so am disi A+ no we nya ne ba bi ko bra kojo se bra kojo eda na dakam no hu se me A+ konto kwa obeda me wona dakam ti me ni A+ die wa wo de wo ntokwa be ko A+ ho no we just also have a problem for over frame and men call because minute politician amount to me you're green a politician you're green a food soldier who bet me at na Facebook and as obewo Ghana has said what there who person woni MPP for nyina kontokwa because we NDC ni who person woni NDC for nyina kontokwa because we MPP ni and we wo wadwen me yi ti we am medan me hu kene de yakon asama me hriatra because nyankopon say wo hwe oba ato na wo kon do na wafa no wo koburu sam dem Yankopon kuru ya David ekohwe oba ato ofa no onyem no ono ne wo ye okun ni kunu Yankopon so the best friend enti wuntumi mfo Yankopon ye bias enti wuntumi mfo se me se me ne kene Japan kokun to because the president before your party the president Mahama Kubi or the bush and former Cotonou Shata, white, no more class in the capital, not the president, conform Germany, now many honorable Ken Coco, honorable Ken Japon, Papa Penia, or no one the Sika, you be some radios was a many plus and quick plus and Madame for Menenco, now me Madame Monaco, may greens a politician, may greens a food soldier, and it's not that's one. Yeah, Betty MPP, I didn't hear, because of JJ Rawlings into the TMPP. JJ Rawlings, what he say, we're Punipa. Why you say, JJ Rawlings, JJ Rawlings, na you say, or you bay for, or no moja, why you say, near the TMPP, say, see you two. Your TMPP, say, you two Rawlings. Rawlings, yeah, or Chef Friedman, MPP, 4% we in the year. And Crawford make us a Rawlings, we will know MPP. Nanado Bayan, Nanado, because on the Rawlings, the CNE, or the Rawlings, the CNE, no too many Rawlings, CNE. Yemu bebre why a better MPP now because of Nanado and then the way on the Rawlings into yes the Rawlings so cool yeah Rawlings what you say yes you gidi ye wi akire no na Nanado ne Rawlings omo your best friends who are who could di akire no wakem green say politician men green say food soldier who be making unnecessary enemies who be pra ye be bo otuo wo police station na wagu ye do be ko demonstration na nkofo matifie ye be to aba na wie no na wagu na woni ho na nkofo ji omani green say politician men green say serial caller men green say food soldier ya do be edwuma hu ne adampo na fi wasan be Facebook na wusu green say politician so won ti edwuma ne mra ase amen ye bi so edwuma na e wo ho no so won ti mra na ase a men ye bi after 2021 ya yekomi obi amfa ne enhye ne tirimu se bibia obe wo wiase bia bi be yewo me menka masam fansie da bibia obe wo wiase bia de bi be yewo 2012 ya to abawie ye esa kufu ado awe or the court before no be court no na ye nyina me ka ho ye gina obra sport 3 days ya demonstration ye ntiase ye gina obra sport for 2 days. And not that time, no, na demonstration a year. The MPP before penfone enough, why so say, Moon year, young could jinaho. By a net year. NDC force on we demonstration, no dear year. BBA will be a CBI debate. Sunny a year demonstration 2012, no. San NDC force by your year 2020. Just that. Media a year not surrender with the NDC force. Or my back open a war. Into mobile ya, Muyana Supreme. Protest no dey hu hia o se ye protest ni etu isi fo e wo ho nyina afiri ho yet me fa yesika mom no mfa yeduma fun we a nduma na mo ye wie ye no mo mbebu ho apunta mo man result keke figures keke mo ntumi fa man o se demonstration nesi but o se ya asumdwem se na be ya ye nyina ye be tena yo man ni mo man ni ye ni bi ne ase no ansa na ya sa ko build your mind foforo into protest no dey hu hia but o se ya asumdwe protest at the end of 2012 now, Nanado de court now, and ye say any idiot can go to court and now wine and say, you know. Ebi, now who we for answer. As some be a done prepare penamadiato, irrespective of who is my friend in Asamu, near Yakano, me and young talker, me the minimum for phone talker, when now for baby when this in the moon. But 2012, no, I prefer the court and Yamuye and they drew Musumoso. San, we are set here. We are say, yes, whom your nature. Adie bi ekon na bi eba besi who kan obi ho asa otena bi ba yawo ya de bi ba yawo 2012 enche bia wo obi a wo de ade ekoyo 2021 ye be komi wo de ade ye obi a fa hye wo kirim se ebe kwa asan besi bi ba yawo edru wo so se ye de yawo ahwe na wansu Kufuado kokot ba ne ya katunu na ye gi no ho few na sei ene we di president ene obi su yamanka ya yi Akufuado na ye president onu awi ni election Akufuado ntia so da bi nya wodi Akufuado 2012 na bi de de ena mu MPP for no mentra nka se omo kokot se ye nkoto aba na Akufuado 2012 na odi kokot no se bebi bebre wo ba ye santo aba ni biem enti ade na esi 2012 na Akufuado de court no baby no say aba no yem call for a rerun in those places and no pepe and I say 2020 and this also call for a rerun of some places What you say? Enti no ade na wo de ya Akufo Addo no. Ebi na omo de ayewi. Ade ta me medwin sa politician me nwin sa fuso ja ne say John Mahama Akufo Addo friend say John bra campaign wo kan cry say ma mo nipa na me mom say me bi na fat wo kaso a o kwa ho friend ma John madam for no me bra penny no but o kwa nya Akufo Addo ko kasa ho friend me o enti me to kwa na me dwin say politician no me nwin say fuso ja me ko di etire ye kwa ye mfra wo 2012 na John Mahama na ye president of Ghana onim ne ekosu nyina bibia onim MPP for be catch them say omo tweet you bribe amankofo omo ye ya akwa bo hene kese din say ono na tweet you bribe na ma judges no John Mahama say no kro minim but John Mahama hu ni nyina enti na ono so court no onim ne ewom onim ne atuem benefit ankofo nye onim ni nyina enti nkofo kro be pia no say ko eye politicians na di omo agro timi so me di magro me dim say politician ni nyame ne say metumi abo nipa hia nsu anom nipa obi yare we nya kidney yankobo na enu ne hia me o but me fa me hu nkogege enkwasi asemu enkopira enko make enemy because of obi ambition ade a wodo beye wunua no fa se wutiri mu se eye den ya ye bi beye o me kasa na me san ye be si so adre na na do se na nei senia 2012 yomo ye wade bi a akọ round a afa de ebe si so say ade na omo ye no wo so ebi wodi bi ayom na na say natural ade na akọ round ebe si no sa na ne esi 2007 between one Alan no ai bi ya ebi be si between Alan ne Bawumia senia 2012 John Mahama de ye wo na kama say na oye Ghana ni a esi wo ha no se wan hwe yi a ne yede ye wan pen wan hwe bi besi between won ne Bawumia na ade a man nipa e besi between Bawumia ne Alan ade a tumi man nipa ye boni din se nipa we or ye hero and say you change the course of nature we be change it you know whether that will happen or it won't happen it depends on senya we be carry wo ho ene senya woni nipa e be dili ene je de wo 2 times open we die wi o problem na aka ni nyina no e da Bawumia so enti nya woni nipa be ye ene nya wo krofo be ye ene ahantan gwe ahomaso sa suban na wo mumu no ye no matena ha 4 years anye hu enchange hwe say ye no mo better another 4 years asundwe mu and I say you know better another 4 years to send a chap previous 4 years no being in so as far as we have nothing to lose ni nyina gina ho so ni nyina gina ho so what you wanna win madi a wo pe wo wiase wanna win madi a wo pe wo wiase so as for us we do not have anything to lose whatever you do will depend on who you want how you want things to go. Media, I assemble a better I'll deal with the issue and I'll go. My interest is for me to build a strong movement that you cannot change. FIFA wo, UEFA wo, CAF wo, ball ayebo, a different confederation no one that Brazil for area for no South America for more there. You were Roman, you were Methodist. Obey to me, Granny Roman, ye TP before. However, the ultimate in Ghana as we are more to me, ye TP, no money. So all of us as Ghanaians must, and it is without doubt that NDC and MPP, they are two strong parties. And there is nothing we can do, you know. So because we NDC and MPP, we will have to ensure, say, yeah, man, no maybe a best say on mine. No, send ya be ya. Adiana ye pesi ye no. Ebe ye. Enti no, mo amudi echire. Obia fanse ni tirim. Wo ya ade na wo ye no de ye wunua. Na ade na wo de ye wunua no enya. For 2012 and 2020, fa ya adisi ade. bibia wo wiase bibia wo beye bia wo benya sunsunsanso mo na nsenya nkofo di mu achi call voter region prior any boys no no nam voter region yes ade your friends say ade your mko your friends say house to house ni ade your campaign am a win your concert once one from and no na yak in the Japan can say mon crofo no every day you neglect your own people once am a woo your concert no one from you know couldn't hear because omo nwense politician omo nwense food soldier premier na menu anom ne omo once you do omo na ye campaign no and ye den kofo bi ko bo show no at least enka yemfa omo mu bi nka ho ne na yempa bibi kakra ma because campaign time no omo di anim but so wo nwense food soldier ana serial caller na wan nwense politician na ye do be ye campaign no e bi say ye bo jams yemfra ntia oka. And you're only with the musicians, so you're with all the other parts. You better contract, yeah, man. You better position, yeah, man. So why when say over Facebook, no women answer me Facebook media come on, me dimpen, me do it, without any omo better bibi unya hu ube nam musa na odi abo apapra bo say what the party or headquarters ube call NDC party headquarters not here anymore ube call MPP party they be not here anymore omo better position kwara na ba be sen ho akosa me okunum ne kwara ni nyina sami demfi kojo opon ko mnya ba be sen ko na wo tie anymore sa unko ba dia being say politician men being say food soldier politician bia na danfo ne politician NDC ni MPP omo ye nanfofo enti wo na wo di se o tim for konto kwama on no eno ya wo problem o na men force wo bi se na de bia no e wo se wo kana e wo se ye yes wo motivation you be motivation o me TPP na me ye no o news conference ye o ni pe ba ye o ka se me ko me nyas kam so businessmen o mo support TPP o mo support me ambition no enti men force wo se be join TPP o the only reason in dia kwame plus ni pa di mechi bebre ne se me de menya 10,000 Ghana immediately my friend boys no bia mbeji bi momna mon kam ho obia mbeje nyes kam bia misem we ma me yare we papa yare we ba yesi we ya adore be bia me hobi I take care of the boys I take care of the streets enche no me de wo ye den ani pa no mbeji mechi because me tiri mu nya din you be traffic na plus or greedy wo de no ko 2024 2021 a wo be pre the boys no nyina wo ye memma ebi enyi chen bia still obi aya meba because problem na me na me solve ni nyina police achi omo wa ha na me dimrika police ayesi na me dia ye me boa boys no enti wo so motivation na wonya na wo de ye den fa ya wo de wonya nko na wo die wo mo bi ebi member tna Facebook ese na Ghana for mu pie nko abonti na mo koye demonstration ye ma uska na wo de ahye wo de mo de ahye wo mpaase wan na pie nko demonstration me na me frɛ boys so omo mesin ye nko demonstration because me na me nyeska na me ma wo mu bi wonya na nko wadi na be transa mo mesin obi ampie o mu pie nko yen fa for sika ni pie who is going to be our boys in the baby? Can share with the episode be MP investing quite demonstration? I wish for 2021. I fear in Shirabe baby as a papa. I 2020. The before be amobia, point for be amobia. I was say your boy mine no buying. Easy way over, I'll see you 2 or more. So easy way. I'll see you 2 easy way through. I was saying, ye nyina ye kan ye ho bom say ye pese Akufo-Addo ye ni problem when we need election and ye court na be determine but easy way I was saying ye kan ho bom no need too easy way free easy only mathematics calculator wo bomb mathematics to me bo ade na 103%. I was saying ye kan ho bom ne too easy no free o memu ha yesi ya wo we enye kisi papa nya afarijan num de ye adwuma afarijan num ye Charlotte say you too no say yesi boss you too no kra Charlotte say kra ni medwuma chenko fo we o say ne kan wo eno na kire say ye bibi di abo man no yesi we enko de ntokwa ebo man mu ha kaburu ye ndibi yesi no bibi asi bia ye yesi ne fault into 2021 ye nya simu pe o say nya de say etrim say e wo say ye ma pressure na ye too easy no the easy is no so okọ easy no also okọ problem ne say ye ne ayi Ethiopia for nenam but there must be civil matured responsible protest that will move this easy and then remember as a peace council no and I mean quarter press as I mean peace council Peace Guy Christian Council, Peace Council. Ya to aba na nipa ewu muntumi nka hwe. Ya to aba nipa ewu. Ya to aba hwe ne isi ya muntumi nka hwe nche isi no. John Mahama na president dia. Nka mu nyina ma sare start kasa bibiri. Muntum nyame amosom na NDC time. NDC ba power pe ho na mosom nyame. Den ni tumi ya 1+1 e 3. Muntumi nka nche isi for say isi fuei. Ade amoye na nya papa. Nka mo de ntokwa esi o mamu ha. 1+1 e san isi for say 3. Aye di o man si kan ti o mo kan obi tumi nka hwe. Mon kasa nche isi for no. Ade na isi for aye no. Ochina ebi besen esi biem. Ebi san esi biem a MPP for be dani omhu abegina ha besu na munyina momfanya disuade se nia esi 2012 no ebi na asan esi biem no esi mo de na mohwe na mo ansu because mo de mo ano ye din ni esi 2012 no bi na esi by this time se esan si mo so mo time so biem a mohwe na mo ansu o ti ase se esan si mo time another 2024 se NDC and say another party ye mo sa de na mo ye ni bia mohwe na mo ansu because mo de MPP for the papa bia si mo so de and ye hwe ye okay but e si obi time de and ye problem mo nim kasa mo ma no odin sa suban na mo de ti o memu ano en na mo elu su mo sit nyina mo nipa mo hwe mo nipa on the way am elu su mo sit no mo boys na party mo nkrofo no we chiche coat ne any concert na mo memu ha mo de bibia ya MPP bia ya papa e ya NDC for de ye enya ya NDC for 2012 ni esi ye no me san catch so one day bi be si san esi NDC for time na bi esi by this time no another 2024 beba mo hwe na si mo time a mo ansu ma me sa adede na mo ye o memu ha no ena ma catch am say ade a mo be ye nne no mo hwe say last time bi esi ye this time say no say ye ya de say be ya sa de no ensi ade bia esi a aya akufu ado de oh yeah my yo mu bi prepare on cause enche bia one ka wo bi be gina assembly man ko wini enti no mon prepare mo hu sese ya enya mo homework ye dia afutupa na me de be mam ha sani awu John Mahama de ye wa wudi bia ye na ye wo de no ma ye ne bi na ye wo de no saa na wan hwe yi a wudi obi be gina assemblyman from 2021-22 wudi obi be gina assemblyman e tro na do born ko win election because we are saa na ti o into mo starting yam adwuma nne enka mo hummom ehu the right thing that you are supposed to do sani e be ya you can change the course of nature because nature no de nyame abo ato sani e kon saa na e ko wo be fon sa yo sa odi aye John Mahama na odi ya wo na odi bia ye no ebi be kini aye wo be mo bo se sa wo kogu Ibrahim Mahama cement factory a fa she utrim se that wo fifa power obi be gu nipa bi adwuma enti dada na me ka kire mo se senia yegu tema wuntumi adwuma jeje ne excavator she no saa na nne ndisi fo bi so wo bre saa de no eye wiase eda ho nyame abato ho saa na tie na mmom no sanka John Mahama time chama wuntumi ade omde ye no senka bi omde wuntumi transit cases o wuntumi de na esi aban ni mo hwe ba baje woni oma be ye sei o se won ya bibia enka bia enne ndisi ni bi so mbre enti saa na mo nso MPP for na mo honne no mo fa no nya disuade se ade na ye de ye chama wuntumi no ebi na aye Ibrahim Mahama na nhwe ochine bi baye gabi ochire da ko enti mo ankasa sanya mo be hye mo ho ene sanya mo nya vindictive ene sanya mo ne nkrofo nko ntokwa hu ene sanya mo abuse power na ye de ama mo no because your power nti yen say obi adwuma wo ye saa de na by 2023-24 no na wo so wo bre saa de mo de ayeye no mo hu you have gone through it you have experienced it and you know that what the idea you be na nyel the right thing or be you be a ye de be ye President Kufodi the president we or you be a papa or in the buri or doing no nya mo de be you be no and no ne be determine what is going to happen to you tomorrow. Ugu Ibrahim Mahama edwuma na wo je ne box site na why stories aka ho say and na the box site na say I win say wo boa wunim say asama mo kan nyina wo boa wo Ghana ni ye adwuma na wa gye na de ama Chinese ni na say wo nim say wo ye sade na na wo kan sam kan na wo boys na Facebook no mu kan tro mu wi na wo ye Japa wo de wo ye Japa ye wo de Ghana minerals nyina bom resources bom na wo ko invest na wo ma Ghana bi an de ye bo bi ko tu box site de ne de ye wo ye sade no kai so chine bi ebedu so Ghana ye nyina. There is not a single company in this country ebi more than 50 years a Ghanaian old, not one, because aban bi eba obebu obi de omugu foreigners ni dio omugu locals ni adwuma omugu Ghana ni adwuma na Ghana ni be say no na abrofo no gu ho ento we hwa company bia wo krom more than 50 years bia no say nye Uranian brothers apart from mechanical law tell me one company we Ghana ha Ghana ni dia from Boache Mattress Apinu Tata Brewery tell me ba ko Ghana ni dia ebi more than 50 years ebi ni ho because ye kan ye ho enti wode ye Ibrahim Muhammad na wode ye ye friend say Sedu Agongo na wode ye hwan no fa hye wutri mu say ye tan ye ho dodo enkofo bo mem hadi nkwase asem omo ye foreigners ye gya omo ko free ba yan ye ho de ye be say yan ye dwuma ye be gu ye ha ye dwuma wo ye no kai said achibi send ye 2012 petition ye sana 2020 petition no so aye na send ye say chema wuntumi ni oma no sana ye send this for ni oma na send ya MP before so egu so send this for ni oma no so o man hwe yi a daachen na omo ye no saa bi ni ye de be ye omo sa mekasa ma Ibrahim Muhammad mekasa ma gabi otreda ko se de be ye a obehu de we obe handle nkofo onfa power ebufuo whatever vindictiveness enko se obi ade mekasa mon se ne be ya 2024 se oni aban mu a na se ye bi ye na ya kai video we ni aka se asem we A+ kan 2020 na to abani wie ye no se ne be ya ye be ka se asem we ya esi en 2020 A+ kan ye to aba 2024 ewie ye na President Kufuor etineka President Kufuor ba chief oteke na nkofo bi ehia no mo si n'afika no magika no se ka no se ye ne dio se ya ban dio ya je ne ka ye to aba 2016 wie ye no na soja ni police ni Black Staff House ye tino ya bono sa ne o ma no entume nkoso kwa businesses mu idwuma bi ho employ nipa bebiri ankosa aban kora abo na ekonanim because of politics inti na ya say no wo say obi die no fa se utrim say na 2020 election petition year no sa na 2021 election 2012 election petition year no sa na 2021 2020 election petition no eno so aye na odi be ye no nko bia no e bi be ye e sa na wi atete e natural adia ye de ye wa enye wo de no menfa ye wunua moma ye mfa odo oman ho do na se ye to aba wie pe na me kan se John Mahama ti ase na wo no nkofo no nkasa magidigidi nsi eno na be boa wo in future na nkofo be tra Facebook A+ the GPP no ye no nkasa bebiri enya asam na Nra John Mahama kan o ma the speech na ye the same thing no kan so on pep tokwa or as a former president or person ye enya haya na mse me video na mse me be kasa te say Mahama enya the same thing Nra John Mahama kan enya the same thing na make say John ye see can say enya the same thing the time catch them say na saying be 4 days ago the microphone be frame me say my point on John on kan dem my point say mo pesa so mo pesa Ghana for pema sama mo ma so ndwie mbro man no John Mahama onti obi open tokwa onti obi oye gidigidi. There should be protest, but there should be peaceful protest. Our constitution will say people can protest. As some now me can't say John, man to Quincy. Because Ghana from Pentokwa, we a lover boy, we a star boy, nkofo be power some sasun gwi wo pa nkofo be power some and when enro kan ya no. Oso no opa some gwi, opeso man no koso. And yes asem na me kan. So be chan Facebook. Won say obi amfre won kan kire wo say ma me point, me nka dem ma me akọ. Da bi omunim say wonim nyansa. Because we bring some food soldier, we bring some politician. Omunim say wonim nyansa. Rollins ye party a Akufo-Addo to make obi. Rollins ye programmer Akufo-Addo to make obi. President Kufuor programmer your friend say John Mahama to make obi. MPP form 24 year programmer, NDC form 24 to make obi. What you Facebook and I will come to Would the end say, would the atom? Maybe NDC form, penny for NPP form, penny for to be Adam for, but maybe me could be chairman to me at them all. Me could be a Canada point them. Now, penny for Niagara. We bring a food soldier, when we bring a serial caller, when we bring a politician, when we bring a by Geneva, maybe me you may come here. Who feel me now with the trainee call. Ye ko baby, ye feel say yen ni betumi e den sakra bia abo memu ha. Ye feel say yen ni betumi den tokwa abo memu ha. Mo amusu feel say betumi aye ntokwa no, mo ko start mo ntokwa. Yen dey feel say betumi den sakra abo memu ha. Ye independence magana ya tutuo. Yen so ye den sakra be abo memu ha without ntokwa. Yen sakra e pese de abo memu ha 2021 say. Ye pese ye protest kase pa na ban yi sifo ni nyina firi ho. Opamo mo nyina firi ho. That protest now say happen. Kasia pa you gina circle nipa be 1 million ni gina circle obi anko ba bia aban pamisia na ekofie that protest na be constitution mo see protesting say feel say bibi nko yia but see use the right channel nti no na ye be ye ana wa dwen yo say wo de we dwuma ne say wo di atam no eye wo problem be nyankopon wo kan bible the fruit of the spirit say ade e be mo wa ye wo wi ase eye long suffering. Long suffering, I say, what chance is me? Go for dimatem, me bre, but me couture to we a natural, obediential. Into our Tamils, or bre, Rollins, ye chino, net napotue, no way you pay, near some Obieno, and for soon also, so they say, Odigana, so 19 years. At Tamils, now you call no lusu, na minianum, me pamutrone, yes, reno, long suffering. After 3 times, will be president. Akufo-Addo, ne yesre no, enananado, eno ye short, eno ye say, sa no court, no we lusu, obemini be ye president, ye long suffering. E wo Bible mu, sa ne wi ase tie natural. Intermediate, se wo kan matwen na book now, I say the matwen book in the title. Or say, whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it's time to pause and reflect. Whenever you find yourself on the side of the majority, it's time to pause and reflect. Me, I don't ever want to find myself on the side of the majority. And if you are the wisest man in the room, it's time to exit. If you are in a room and you are the wisest person in that room, it's time for you to exit. So me, I don't want to find myself on the side of the majority. I want to find myself every day on social media where everybody insulting me. So many people coming up to insult. I love it. It makes me feel good. It tells me that I'm doing something right and I'm on course. I have never advertised TPP on any media. No TV, no radio. Munyambaha and the TPP and I'm going to be then the TPP no and ma Diana mami. Sane we are sitting here. Natural. And I love it, and I know where I'm going, and I'm happy about where I'm going, and I think that I'm doing something right. It's in a ekosano, a natural, a Bible mu, a wiase, hum be any wiase, hum neti wumu. Nyankopon bia, there is a spirit in every man. The difference between wo and no war and one say, on when you abotre ahanese in the spirit, no, when you abotre hwehwe wo dia no. Sit down 2021, reflect. Hwade bia wo hu say hey me kwa me plus. And Opebia some sorry, that's a me idea we are saying Yokosi, me for 10 years, which means that every time I see this will happen. Every time I hear this will happen. Take your time and understand yourself. Hey, we are saying, the BBC ubehu, yasa ubeko of wako empire, yasa ubeko rodu sinio, the hum to be me try down make me decide say, and then me sorry me pay, the jam gate and my dress to me cook bibi no kasa na wunya botentie ye natural nya me di mo bia enti asem bi beto se me kura na me pese meko omo be frem na me pese meko me hwa no me maame atifie e na me boys fa me na banaman ene ekem ema no ene belu ye se ye koye jams wo yi e se Charles Beach me maame hu omo wo park so no se hey san we chi ko chena se owura dem pe na me hwiri wo na me kwachina kaa no mo babam na me koye ye koye as a chance for University of Education sharp care no mo ye nya accident serious me really want to kwanya accident no. There is a spirit in every man. Listen to your inner akobi to mu we ade e militam de kase body no ye the non black label ye ade bi to mu eno na direct to be awoko 2021 ye esi mi men green se food soldier wo nya opportunity is hard here no e be kire obi bia wo se woko unsuro hwe obibia so ntumi yawo obia so ntumi yawo hwe nyame ene hyire nipa me mamu nyina fishapa afinkom betu yen afesese ni asen hia wa ha obia wo hwe video yi nyame be hyirawo afesese ni nyina asen hia wa ha na yetu isi boss no yetu isi boss no na afedi ye nyina ye koyani obia bibio ye bia ye nyame hyira obibia baako nyame hyira mo o hyira mo nyamo kese obia ye obia ye obi nkobo obi hobesia obia ye obi nkosoro obi aduane obia ye a wankasa waduane na wo no betumi de esie because obia ye ni obia mbesere wo ho obia mbebo obi besia nyame hyira obia baako na afi na yesim no enya afi papa ema obia medamase na me no montena ane mu ye adwuma bye bye.